Alright, yo, this is the life that I live. And life is the best teacher. Learning lessons the hard way while escaping the reaper. Feeling like hell so close the flames cooking my sneakers. But don't get me wrong though, I'm not seeking a preacher. I don't believe in a religion, so that'd be a contradiction. I rely on good moves, little luck, and my own wisdom. Of course I like a little fame, nice cars or fly women, but no, I won't sell my soul to go get them. I just execute a plan I have in my cerebellum. Patience, feed myself with some motivation, a clean wardrobe, a little pep in my pacing. Dodge the bullets with hate engraved on the casings. I'm a shit-talking, slick-tongued poet, but a great one. A face-off till your face-off, close calls, never faced one. I put you behind my bars, you got one call, better make one. Just be happy you got to witness something so amazing. I remember back in the days, I was trapped in the maze, trying to find myself. It was a hell of a phase. Notebook was the only outlet. I was killing the page, drunk off the liquor, smoked off the haze. But look at me now, I'm the man that I made. It was obvious I was made for the stage.